Juka refrigerator. Here is like the sample we have in our live studio, and on the refrigerators we have different kinds as well and different models, but they are all like they all have the same materials except the difference in structure and the capacities that varies depending on the model. So we have this as a sample to show you like how our solar freezer is and what comes along with the solar freezer. I mean the solar fridge. And for the material, it is made of stainless steel, and this is gray color, and inside for the upper, for this kind is top freezer, and for the upper part is the freezer part with the highest temperature of -18, and we have the door seal as well, and we provide you with ice maker, small ice maker at your home, where you can put water, freeze for some time, and get some ice cubes to put in your drink or anything. We give you a tag also, 16A, and we have the instruction manual like other products, and down here we provide you with a variety of shelves that you can put fruits, food leftovers. Here you can put your beverage, seasonings, and so much more other products. And for the temperature range, here is from 0 to 10 degrees. And here we have the temperature adjustment here that can help you to switch the temperature to accordingly to what is inside. We have also egg tray as well for you to store in your egg tray, and this can help you to protect your eggs. Yeah. We also give you keys for locking your fridge. Every product at Juka, we give you keys for the product. And then here we have the logo here attached. So for the people who wish to sell their products or to buy their product branded in their company logo, brand logo, they can also reach out to us, and we can put the logo whether as this one, plastic designed, silk printed, or 3D. You can also put it. And here we give you two handles for you to assemble. Here for you like to make it easy to open and close. And then here is the outside condenser, wood material as well, and well attached to the product so that it can perform its role very well, give better dissipation, and also good cooling effect. And here we have the cooling fan as well. Inside there is a compressor controller, and here is the plug with 16A plug, and this product has a refrigerant of 134A. And still on this product, we have lots of kinds on this product, a lot of models, and you can see the difference between the products and their model. As the model differ, the shape and the size differ. So on this solar top freezer we have model from 108, we have 118, we have 142, we have 178, we have 198, have 218 and 268 being the biggest model under solar top freezer refrigerator. We also have the inverse type of this one, where the bottom part is the freezer, the upper part is the refrigerator. All the material is the same, the inside accessories are the same, except for the structure is different. One has the top freezer, other has the bottom freezer. So for people who've been looking for such structure with solar system, they can also approach us and we give you good quality product and best price. Still on the refrigerator, we also have solar single door refrigerator or a mini fridge with only one door, and the material also is the same as this solar top freezer, except that for this one it has only one door, and it is very convenient also, and very good, very portable, and also will help you to minimize some costs related to electricity. So on this product